So you are looking at gold, huh? Gold gave a very fantastic move this Sunday. I discussed in that in the video. So first of all, at the start of the video, I want to tell the length of the video that doesn't matter to me. So those of you who are in a rush, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Today I'm going to teach, discuss, or show the correct way of identifying a breakout and a retest concept. So yes, those of you who are in a rush, you will miss it, right? Anyways, if you stay with me, I think what I'm saying is I'm saying for you. So yes, so you looking at gold, huh? Let me move this webcam a little bit this way. Gold gave a very fantastic move, like very much fantastic one. Let's have a look at it. So if I show you on this Sunday what I discussed, let me actually delete everything, okay, because what I'm going to discuss will be from scratch, but I also don't want to tease around with this template, so let's move right here. It will be good, okay. And since it's too late, so I'm really sorry, I will not be getting any chance to edit this video, so please pardon me for that, okay. Forex is anyways not a thing of a rush, okay. This is, remember, on urgency I have to be like talking to you. I will be making a very separate video on urgency, those who are in urgent need of money, and how dangerous that can be in Forex, right? So no urgency, nothing, pure technical. And yes, so what I was saying, this previous Sunday, remember my friends, I don't mean by at all to prove something right here, right? I'm showing you this because if you see, there is like that ABCD pattern, and obviously that same ABCD is my strategy, and this is obviously the ABCD is the only hope with the traders at this time, these days. So did you guys get profits from this particular trade? I'm giving the link of the previous video in the iCard above. So right here, if you see this completion, $34.06. But my level was obviously 33.93. So now you guys are happy. You made how much profits? 824 pips of a profit. 824 pips. So I was saying I will be discussing the breakout and the retest, right? And let me first make this chart a little bit smaller, this webcam, sorry. So whatever was supposed to happen, that already happened, my friends. That happened. We cannot reverse it. Those who were supposed to take 800 pips from the market, they did. those who targeted this whole move 1220 pips approximately it was giving. So who closed there, that's fine, but who didn't, who are still holding from here on, who are still holding from right here as well, so obviously their profits are decreased, but maybe they are then a bit more long-term traders, that's why they are holding. Otherwise I assume everyone must has closed their deals right here. But my friends, as I say, I'm going to discuss the breakout and the retest today, and I will be sending traders from the future videos to this video to understand, like, you know, most of the traders I know are in trouble. Are in what? Are in trouble. Most of the traders, 95%. So my friends, I want to say, let's get together and let's try to bring some positive change. 95% of the traders losing, missing the trades, FOMO, this and that. Since it's pretty much late right here, so I don't want to discuss those emotions for now, but like, it's the reality, it's there, so it's there, it's the reality. Reality cannot be denied. My friends, the breakout and the retest, this story still revolves around that same level. Clear? Right here my analysis stopped, because after this I became blank. Why? I analyzed it for just this much profit, 800 pips. So this is the result. Analysis. And I also want to tell you that there is some psychological part of it as well, that you can say that every strategy obviously has some sort of patience. So this is that patience zone going on, this whole. Maybe you could continue higher. I don't chase, right? I don't chase at all. And being my student, please, I highly recommend you stop chasing it and then see the positivity in your trading. Then stop chasing the market, stop doing this urgency, please. I'm telling all of these for you, okay? I need this much money, that much money, and I have to make it. I this have to thing where it forcefully then, like, induce like the trades. The traders then forcefully take the trades. My friends, I'm sitting right here from now like 9 years on YouTube, and since then 3 years of a practice. I I know I'm not what they say is, in Urdu they say apne muh miya mittu, means like praising one own self. No, no, no. I'm not praising myself, but I know this. Let's suppose if this is a wick, or this is a zone, or even I can go to the micro level, to the 1 minute, go inside the structure and find out that, okay, if this happened, why it happened. I couldn't do it, my friends, with urgent money or fixed targets. Some people say fixed targets. No, more on this later. First, let's see this breakout and retest. So what I was saying is, have a look at it. 33.74, 33.93, all of the three targets the market hit. So here comes in the breakout and the retest. When this market was going up, in those days I was also live streaming, also uploading videos. So if you for educational purposes watch my videos all the way between 16th of May 2025 till 24th of June, so almost like 50 days, you can say 1.5 month or 1 month 10 days. So I was bullish above this trend line, and when I saw the opportunity, I announced here very clearly this zone 3360. Let me precisely add it. Okay, I will also be discussing this trade which is open. Practice trades, these are my friends. Okay, so practice, here we are practicing. Okay, here we are practicing, we are learning new concepts, understanding the market, understanding the direction of the market, what the market is doing, what we are looking for, whether we are on a patience, whether we what we think about the market. So my friends, then it broke. When it broke, I said wait for the market. So I don't want to go into those details for now, right? So when I said okay, now when market was right here, we bought it obviously as per the Fibonacci strategy, as per the breakout retest. See, market was in a consolidation zone right here, in a consolidation zone right here. Market gave a breakout, then here it retested it again. Where did it drop from? It retested the previous level. Similarly, right here it dropped. Those who were looking for buy, they get fantastic buys near 3260, closed at 3360, again sold at 3360, and again dropped to 3284. This was then a support. See, this level was broken, market came back down and even retested this. But after that, obviously it plotted this move, then this move, and right here I was waiting for a bullish setup. We have got that. So this sell I have discussed this. I'm not saying it that I want to praise my strategy or this and that. I just want to say to open up the eyes of the traders, because the trader no doubt is on consistently basis losing. I don't want to put you in dark or something. Okay. Now this previous Sunday what I said is, if this 3360 is broken now, then it is going to continue further high. It did continued high. It did continued high. But here comes in a very tricky thing. The story of again a breakout and a retest, my friends. Did you understand what I want to say? Understand this technique which I'm describing from step by step. And obviously now this time we have this, we have this as well, and see market slightly today in the New York session go down and then break in. So on lower time frames it suggests another move up. The A, B, C, D suggest a very strong move up. Okay. Oh, let me adjust my TP. 3473. Oh, the market is closed. Tomorrow I will. The market is closed. It's 2:23 a.m. This video is going on straight unedited. Yeah, I have stopped doing those fast-paced videos. Yeah. I want to teach because people are losing on consistent basis. So I want to teach. I motivate teaching. I understand the like those who learn something. I understand the value of that. So yes, my friends, this is it. This breakout, this watch this video several times and practice this breakout retest concept, right? So I have seen when members come to me, I think they are not following the breakout and the retest concept because it was not present on my channel. But from now on, I want that anyone who wants to join my WhatsApp group, they should have understand some basic things. So maybe it can take 1 or 2 months. Stay right here on the YouTube for free, understand these concepts, then I will be taking you there into the private group. And it's not yet too crowded, very peaceful it is. Now my friends, coming on to the psychology part, this trade, let me first show you. This euro US dollar, if it is active tomorrow, I will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, this euro dollar, and this is the gold, right, which is 53 pips up. It has a very big stop loss. What I usually do, let me tell you, I motivate putting smaller positions, wider TP and wider, like maybe position trading, I want to say. So one more thing I want to tell you, I am not at all telling anyone to buy from here. Okay, I just want to give my truthful opinion. Okay, because if I start saying, hey, buy from here, buy from here, then these videos will again become sort of like a commercial, and I don't want to make them commercial. If one wants to join and learn, they can learn right here on the YouTube, but please don't ever skip the videos. Okay, so more on this breakout retest. For now, this is my opinion, and this market again is like standing at that same story. If tomorrow I get a break below on the daily time frame or even on the H4 below the 3360, but daily is very much important, then maybe I will deploy my plan B, which will be in front of you. I will be discussing with you, right? So this is what it's going on, and for that euro trade I will discuss that tomorrow. Okay, so yes, this was the video. I hope that you guys understand what I say. Remember, if you get a chance to learn from the experience of another trader, that education is, it has no, like, it cannot be valued in price. And right here I'm giving you that free of cost. Free of cost. No one teaches, like, even if you watch channels, everyone there will be banners, hey, come here, come here, come here. So yes, this is one truth I don't tell anyone to buy or sell. I just, in the light of Fibonacci, I just want to show the right direction to the trader. Now how the trader trades it, that depends on him, right? So yes, this is it. I will be waiting for your comments on this particular video. See, this is 2:28 a.m. okay, and there is no further energy left. So I will upload it straight away. I will be uploading it. Don't worry at all. This market, this market is all the time full of opportunities. But brotherly advice I want to give to all of you. Please, my friends, leave this urgency thing. Please, for God's sake, leave this urgency thing. It will drown the ship one day. Forex is not meant to be for urgency. Okay? Doubling account, tripling account, my friend, maybe people will be doing it, but for me, oh, that is suicide. I'm sitting right here from what I will be saying is upon my own experience, obviously. So this is my experience. If you want to learn from my experience, you are most welcome in these videos. So take a lot of care of yourself, and I will see you maybe tomorrow. Let's see if market gives me some good moves, then I will show up tomorrow. And before that, just let me quickly show a little bit of my, maybe if tomorrow it happens I will be discussing it, otherwise what we say in Urdu is jaane do, right? So jaane do, remember. Okay, my friends, this market is full of money. I just need people with patience, no urgency. Then see, this market will be rewarding you. Take a lot of care again, and goodbye.